welcome you all in this session. Myself, Arti Talaulikar. Module name Mitochondria 2, module number 19. Title of the unit Cell and its components. In this module, we will be talking about ultrastructure of mitochondria, functions of mitochondria. On the completion of the module, you will be able to describe the ultrastructure of mitochondria and you will be able to explain the functions of mitochondria. Mitochondria, they are double membraned organelles found in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cells. These are Mitochondria are double-bound organelles found in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cell. The two membranes are the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Between this outer and inner membrane, there is an intermembrane space. It has crista and matrix. The two membranes, that is the outer membrane and the inner membrane, they play a crucial part in its activities. The thickness of these two membranes are around 6 nanometers and they show fluid mosaic in ultrastructure. That is, they have lipid bilayer and in this will be the integrated proteins found. Outer membrane. Outer membrane, it is a simple phospholipid bilayer and it encloses the mitochondrion. Outer membrane is smooth and has many copies of a transport protein known as porine. This porine, it allows molecules to freely diffuse from one side of the membrane to the other. So the molecules which are less than 10,000 daltons will be able to diffuse from this membrane. And the molecules include ions, nutrient molecules, ATP, ADP, etc. Inner membrane. Within outer membrane and separated from it by a space of about 6 to 8 nanometers is an inner membrane. This membrane is not smooth and is impermeable, but it is permeable to oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. This contains proteins that perform redox reaction in oxidative phosphorylation, ATP synthase, transport proteins, protein import machinery. Cristae. The inner membrane after folding, it forms a structure called as cristae. The cavity of cristae is called the intercristae space and is continuous with the inner membrane space. Cristae increases inner membrane surface area and thus enhancing its ability to produce ATP. The inner membrane divides the mitochondrial space into two chambers, the outer chamber and the inner chamber. The side of the inner membrane facing the matrix side is called the M side. The side facing the outer chamber is called the C side. On the M side of the inner mitochondrial membrane, there are some stacked particles which are known as F1 particles. So in the diagram, you can see the F1 particles. They are on the inner side or the M side of the inner membrane. Outer chamber. Outer chamber is also known as perimitochondrial space, outer compartment, intermembrane space. The outer chamber contained between the outer membrane and the inner membrane. This space is continuous into the core of the cristae. The space between the inner membrane and the outer membrane is around 70, similar to the cytosol with respect to the small molecules. The outer chamber is similar to the cytosol with respect to the small molecules because the outer membrane is freely permeable to small molecules. The concentration of ions and sugars in the intermembrane space is same as that of the cytosol. Inner chamber. Inner chamber is also called as inner compartment, matrix space. It is filled with a dense, homogeneous, gel-like proteinaceous material called mitochondrial matrix. The matrix, it contains lipids, proteins, circular DNA molecules, 55S ribosomes and certain granules. The granules are concerned with the transport of ions and water. The matrix is important in the production of ATP with the aid of the ATP synthase contained in the inner membrane. Mitochondrial DNA. The mitochondrial DNA, it is a double-stranded circular DNA and it has multiple copies within the matrix. It is around 30 micrometer in plant. It stores biological information required for growth and multiplication of mitochondria. Functions of mitochondria. The main function of mitochondria is energy production. By aerobic respiration, mitochondria, it uses its complex molecules and oxygen to produce a higher energy molecule known as the ATP. That is adenosine triphosphate. The other function is apoptosis. So energy production mitochondria, it produces ATP through respiration and regulates cell metabolism. Mitochondria are the respiratory centers of the cell and it is divided into 4 phases. The aerobic respiration is divided into the 4 phases which are glycolysis, oxidation of pyruvic acid, Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. Site of several metabolic reactions is the other function of mitochondria, like outer membrane, the elongation of fatty acid, inner membrane, oxidative phosphorylation, matrix, Krebs cycle. Biogenesis of mitochondrial ribosomes takes place in the matrix. Apoptosis. Mitochondria, in addition to energy production, have a second major function related to programmed cell death by apoptosis. So these are the functions of mitochondria. References. Here are the few books which you can refer. These are the online references. Thank you.